Welcome to Bethlehem Institute of Engineering. Bethlehem Institute of Engineering is affiliated to Anna University, Chennai and approved by AICTE, New Delhi. This institution was established in the year 2008.
Students, today we are going to learn about structure of power system. Structure of power system. In electric power system, it consists three parts. First one is generator or generation section. Second one is transmission section. Third one is distribution section. Further, the transmission section is classified into primary transmission and secondary transmission. Similarly, distribution section is also classified as primary and secondary. Okay, the figure shows that the clear view of an ideal power system. See, at the head or at the top of the power system, generating station will be there. Generating station, normally in India, we will generate power only in 6.6 kV, otherwise 10.5 kV, 11 kV, 13.8 kV or 15.75 kV. This particular voltage amount to generate power only we generate in direct form. The generating station, we know we have lot of power plants. Steam power plant is there, thermal power plant is there, wind power plant is there, solar power plant is there. Nowadays nuclear power plant also there. The generating stations contains this much components. Then transmission means transforming the generated power in bulk power into different area. That is called as transmission section. And the distribution is the distributing the whole electrical power to big customer and small customer and the consumers. These are all the distribution section. Okay, now we are going to learn the components of generation, components of an electrical power system. Generator. First, already I mentioned, generator means a device used to convert one form of energy into electrical energy. Any form. If we take steam power plant, from the steam, the energy is converted into electrical power. In hydroelectric power plant, the water energy is converted into electrical power. In nuclear, by nuclear fission reaction, we are generating nuclear fusion reaction. We are generating electrical power. Like that, different kind of generators are available there. Second one is transformer. Transformer, we know that transfer power from one area to another area, to energy from one circuit to another circuit with the change of frequency. Either we know that transformer contain two types of transformers are there. One is step up transformer, another one is step down transformer. In some case we will step up the power, in some case we step down the power. Then transmission line, it is the major equipment which carries the power one place to another place. Then control equipments, we know that well, to on off and for the protection of the transmission line, we apply lot of control equipments. In electrical, further days we will going to study lot of control equipments, insulators, breakers, circuit breakers, isolators, XYZ, like that lot of things we are going to learn. Then primary transmission. Okay, these are all the components we used in the entire power system. Okay, these are all the basic components we use in the entire power system. Okay, first we learn about generation. Already I explained, we will generate the power up to 15 kV only. 15.8 kV only we maximum we will generate the electric power. So generation station, normally it will be away from the city. If we consider a water power plant, it will be away from the city. So transmission system, primary transmission in the generator power is transmitted through transmission line without stepping up the greater voltage in the line current, and power loss will be high. So generated voltages step up to higher value by using step up transformer located in substations to sending end substation near the generating station. We know that we will generate only 15.5 kV maximum high generation voltage. If we transmit that 15.5 kV to distribution area, it will be due to the power loss. In the receiving end, we get very less only. To avoid that losses, we are step up the voltage into 230 kV, up to 230 kV, depending upon the distribution area. We will, otherwise, depending upon the distance to transmit, we will step up the voltage. This is called primary transmission from the generating station to substation. The transmission is called primary transmission. In secondary transmission, the receiving end substation, the voltage is stepped down to the value of 66 or 33 or 22 kV. The 232 volt or 230 kV from the primary transmission, the power will transfer to the secondary receiving substation. In the receiving substation, they receive the 230 kV and step down into 11 kV, 22 kV, 22 kV, like that they will 22 kV, 66 kV or 33 kV, like that they will step down, and further they will transmit it to another area. This is called secondary transmission. Then the distribution system. After the successful of transmission of electric power, the distribution will start. The distribution system we will convert into primary distribution and secondary distribution. At the secondary substation, the voltage is stepped down into 11 kV or 6.6 kV. That if it is 66 kV or 22 kV or 33 kV, the voltage will be stepped down into 11 kV or 6.6 kV. Using the step down transformer, the primary distributor forms the link between secondary substation and the distribution substation and the power fed into primary distribution system. It is used 3-phase and 3-wire system. You know about primary distributor. It will be a primary distribution is a intermediate link between secondary transmission and between the distributor. Here the voltage is stepped down and transformed to the distribution substation. In the secondary distribution, the voltage is stepped down to 400 volts or 230 volts. In the primary distribution, from the primary distribution, the bulk customers means those who are bulk industries, 11 kV line, they will use to supply 11 kV lines. Okay, so from primary distribution, the bulk customers get their supply. In the secondary distribution, the voltage is further stepped down into 400 volt or 230 volt. 400 volt for 3-phase 4-wire system, 230 volt for single phase 2-wire system. It is called secondary distribution. This is the structure of power system. Entire power system will be classified into this manner. Once again I repeat, structure of power system contains a generating station, a primary transmission, a secondary transmission, primary distribution, secondary distribution. In generating station, the voltage is generated up to 15.8 kV and it will be transmitted into 765 kV. From the primary transmission section, the 15.8 kV will be converted into 765 kV and it will be transmitted. In secondary transmission, this 765 kV is stepped down and transmit up to 66 kV. In the distribution section, 66 kV is reduced to 11 kV. In primary distribution, it will be reduced to 11 kV. In secondary distribution, it will be reduced to 400 volts or 230 volt, and to supply the customers. This is the structure of electrical power system. And we also discuss about the components. Okay, I hope that you all understand. Thank you.